Making video content is still one of the most effective ways to reach new audiences, but everyone knows the actual production process is a massive pain. Between scripting, filming, and those endless hours spent editing and juggling uploads, it feels like producing content eats your entire day. But what if I told you there's a tool that takes that entire nightmare and makes it actually feel fun again? Meet Vizard, an AI-powered tool that automatically turns your long-form videos into bite-sized, platform-ready clips in minutes. This isn't just hype, because I've been testing it out, and it genuinely transforms long, raw footage into clips that actually perform well on social media. Let me walk you through exactly how it works and why it might save you weeks of tedious editing every single month. First off, Vizard goes way beyond simple clipping by handling 3 core tasks: auto-detecting viral-ready moments, scheduling your posts, and managing your content calendar. Beyond those pillars, it manages aspect ratio conversion, adds auto-generated captions, and lets you publish directly to your platforms. This means you can turn a 30-minute interview into a dozen high-quality short videos without ever needing to open complex editing software. Now, let's talk about the pricing, because I know that's the first question on everyone's mind. Vizard is designed to be creator-friendly, offering a much more accessible cost compared to the expensive premium tools out there. While competitors often stack limits on account access or processing hours, Vizard keeps things simple so you can scale without bleeding cash. I won't turn this into a price war, but if you've felt sticker shock from other platforms, Vizard is absolutely worth a look. To test it, I grabbed a random YouTube link and dropped it into the Vizard dashboard to see what would actually happen. The interface shows your queue, where you can see videos being analyzed and clips that are already processed and ready to go. I queued up 4 videos simultaneously to test concurrency, and Vizard handled them all in parallel without any struggle. The processing stage is quick, analyzing the footage to find highlights and producing edited clips in a matter of minutes. For busy creators who like to batch produce, being able to simply queue videos and walk away is a total game changer for your workflow. During the analysis, Vizard ranks the moments it thinks are most shareable, marking them as top clips for you to preview. The AI doesn't just slice randomly, it looks for energy peaks, hook lines, and reaction shots to make sure the clips are engaging. You can accept the auto edit, which handles the cropping automatically, or you can use the lightweight editor to manually tweak your clips. I tested both methods, and honestly, the auto-edit tool nails a surprisingly high percentage of clips right out of the box. One of my favorite features is that Vizard gives you caption versions that you can download with or without the subtitles. It also supports different aspect ratios, so you can easily convert your horizontal content into vertical formats for TikTok or Instagram. The tool even handles transitions, like moving from full screen to a picture-in-picture view when a screen share is present. Most of the clips it served up were between 60 and 120 seconds, which is the perfect sweet spot for shorts. The strategy here is to keep it tight, hook the viewer, and then link back to your full video to build a loyal audience. I'm putting this exact funnel into my own workflow now because it scales so cleanly and keeps viewers engaged. Publishing is where Vizard really saves you time, allowing you to connect your social accounts and schedule directly from the dashboard. There is a simple scheduler that lets you set your posting frequency, and the AI can even suggest hooks and captions. You can edit those titles and descriptions to sound more like you before hitting that publish button. It even shows a preview of how the final clip will look, so you aren't publishing blind. If you've ever paid an editor thousands of dollars or spent hours doing it yourself, you know that time is actual money. Vizard isn't about replacing your creative judgment, but about removing the tedious, repetitive parts of the editing process. The built-in analytics provide performance snapshots, so you can see exactly which hooks and clip types work best for your audience. While there are other platforms out there, many of them either cost more or lack the full pipeline of editing, captioning, and scheduling. Some competitors are great at cropping but miss the mark on the scheduler, or their auto-editing feels too generic. Vizard strikes a better balance for creators who need a single hub to batch, process, edit, and schedule without any surprises. For agencies, it scales perfectly by connecting multiple client accounts so everyone's content pipeline stays moving. For solo creators, it remains accessible and powerful enough to manage a full content calendar without needing a huge budget. Honestly, I was pleasantly surprised by the output. The clips kept the main story beats and the captions were incredibly accurate. Here is a quick tip. Let the AI suggest clips first, then skim through and replace any that don't match your specific vibe. Use the auto-schedule feature to maintain a consistent posting cadence without burning yourself out. Remember to batch upload your videos at once, because being able to let it handle concurrency is perfect for dedicated content days. Is Vizard perfect? Not yet, because sometimes the AI might miss a subtle joke, but the time savings are absolutely real. This tool allows you to ship more content and test different hooks without waiting weeks for an editor to get back to you. If you want something that takes the heavy lifting out of short-form publishing, this is definitely worth a close look. It lets you focus on the creative part, actually making content, while it handles the boring, repetitive tasks. If you make long-form content and want to repurpose it into clips that drive views, this could seriously change your entire workflow. I'll drop a link in the description where you can try it out for yourself. Start with a small batch, throw in a couple of videos, let Vizard process them, and see how the clips perform. If you're tired of editing for hours, subscribe to my channel for more breakdowns, and let me know what you clip first.